every once in a while, when emotions go a little high, I have to find myself at the edge of the world. And for me, the edge of the world is where the land and the water meets. So here I am at Wildwood, New Jersey, on the beach with these two, I don't know if you can see them, beautiful little African children of mine who have no hesitation when it comes to running into water that could possibly have sharks in it. So there's my boy. Hey, come here. And there's my girl. Don't splash me. Do not splash me. I'm not playing. Let me take a picture. It's seawater. Can y'all stand still so I can take a picture? Alright, stand still. I'm moving because I'm trying to get the best sun, the light angle. Alright. And say Wildwood. Say Wildwood. Oh my gosh.